pinaka-latest video namin, yung Don't Matter by Akon. Parang nirevive lang namin siya, okay? Oh, 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 oh. Lapit at hindi ka kita. Oh, 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 oh.
So good!
Nobody wanna see us together, but it don't matter, no.
Cause I got you, baby.
Nobody wanna see us together, but it don't matter, no.
Cause I got you, babe. Yes, we gon' fight.
Oh, yes, we
Lapit.
gon' fight. Believe we gon' fight. We gon' fight for our right to love, get it right. Nobody wanna see us together, but it don't matter, no. Cause I got you. Okay, ito, interview na, last. Bago namin member, nasa ano na ako? Bago namin member si Oyen, saka si Min. Hi! So, nasa under na kayo ngayon ng Sony BMG. How's your feeling? Masaya!
Nasa air.
Oh, ano ngayon? Mag-ano na kayo? Mag-promote na kayo sa, kasi nga, sponsor kayo ng
yung
album namin.
Alpha Pichu Papi.
Ayun, Scalabers! Okay, bye-bye!
Bye-bye!
Oh, ano mo na, isang snapshot. Ano yun?